Can you hear me? Hello? Can you see my screen and hear me? Okay. Is there a way that you can also join in the conversation and I hear your voice rather than this being just one-way street? I cannot hear you or anyone else. Anyway, okay, let's just proceed and hope that what I say makes sense. So I'm going to work on a site that's running on my local host. So right now I'm looking at a single post. And I think what you want to do is to remove the post info, which is the date and the author info, and perhaps just leave a comment, this entire post info line, only on single posts. Is that what you want to do? Okay. All right. So if you take a look at the Genesis parent theme, there is a folder called library, LIB. Inside this, there is structure. And inside structure, there is post.php. So here you can see all the hooks that are there for HTML5. Now I'm assuming that you're using one of the recent HTML5 child theme for Genesis. And this line is what is responsible for displaying the post info. So this line basically tells Genesis to display the or run this function Genesis post info at this location, that is at Genesis entry header. And this hook is to be run with a priority of 12 with respect to the other actions. Anyway, so if you just copy that line and put that in functions.php and change add to remove, so that is going to remove the post info, but it is going to do that everywhere. So now we got to write the if condition saying that this has to be done only on single posts. So the way you do that is, there are two ways. One is just create a file called single.php, single.php, and you put this code inside that. So Genesis post info will be removed only on single posts. The other way to do it is, you just locate the hook, which is right above that you want to remove. So if you do a Google search for a Genesis Visual Hook Guide, okay, so go there and then you go to the blog, go to the page that represents what you're trying to do. So in this case, we need to go to a single post. Okay, so Genesis entry header is the location at which Genesis post info is hooked. To do this conditionally, you just go one level up. So Genesis before entry. So you copy that name and say add action Genesis before entry, and then write the name of your custom function. So this says remove post info. Let's say that is the name of the function. So in the line below, we're going to define that function. Okay, so here we can say if is singular post. To do something when the current page is a single post page. So over here, you can just cut that and paste it like so. So now when you reload, post info is gone only on single posts. So just to check this, if you go on to a archive page, you can see that the post info is still there. So this is one way of doing it.